Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more banking comparisons. HSBC USA versus Ally Bank, which reigns supreme? In this video, we'll dissect the offerings of HSBC USA and Ally Bank, helping you determine the ideal banking partner for your specific requirements. Find direct links to both banks in the description below. Let's delve into their features and identify the best fit for your financial lifestyle. HSBC USA boasts a global presence, providing a comprehensive suite of services encompassing checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Its strength lies in international banking, offering perks like fee-free global transfers, access to a vast ATM network worldwide, and the convenience of managing accounts in multiple currencies. For those seeking a bank with an extensive global reach and robust investment management services, HSBC's Premier Checking and Premier Savings accounts offer competitive rates. However, these accounts come with higher minimum balance requirements and associated fees unless specific criteria are met. HSBC's international focus makes it a prime choice for individuals with global financial needs or frequent international travel. On the other hand, Ally Bank is a leading online-only bank offering a complete range of financial services without the overhead of physical branches. Ally's appeal stems from its no-fee structure, which includes free checking and savings accounts coupled with competitive interest rates. Ally's high-yield savings account is a significant attraction, offering some of the industry's most competitive rates without minimum balance requirements. Ally is also renowned for its user-friendly mobile app and exceptional customer service, both catering to tech-savvy users who prefer managing their finances digitally. Ally's auto financing and investment options further enhance its versatility, particularly for those seeking a streamlined, all-digital banking experience. In summary, if your financial life necessitates global access, sophisticated investment management, or frequent international transactions, HSBC USA is likely the superior choice. Conversely, if you prioritize fee-free banking, competitive interest rates, and a seamless online banking experience, Ally Bank emerges as the better option. Explore both banks further by clicking the links in the description below, and discover the perfect banking partner to meet your unique financial needs.